The spring is on its way. The weather looks cool and a bit warmer as compared to December or last week or first week of January. So it looks like Delhi is going to be very hot this year. So we have to be ready with the heat or whatever you call it. I'm going through a shortcut. I'm going to library, by the way. So this is where I go to library. It's been a while since I filmed or shoot a video, so I hope this video will get some views, and also you guys will like this video. I wish I could vlog every day so that I could post in my YouTube channel, but that's not how it works because I have other things to do. I mean, primary things to have. Obviously, I have to be focusing every day. But let's hope that I can vlog often. Vlogging is fun, but as far as I'm concerned, I'm totally new to how to vlog, what to put in the vlog, and also there are a lot of things to be included in the vlog. To get down. Almost reaching. I think I'll go and have breakfast first. Normally I don't take breakfast in my hostel because I don't know, I don't like, or maybe it's too early for me to have breakfast right after I wake up. So I'll just keep my cycle in front of the library, then go and have breakfast. Probably I'll have puri or aloo paratha because that's my favorite in the canteen, library canteen.